Hello friends, welcome to Linux administration. So friends, we were discussing about the file system structure in Linux. So as of now we have understand few directories we have and what all the files we have in that directories. Let's move further. The next one is your /usr. So basically USR, it stands for user programs. It contains binaries, libraries, documentations and source code for second level programs. In that directory we have further directories like /usr bin directories, which contains binary false user programs, and like this we have /usr sbin contains binary files for system administration. So friends, this is basically for user programs, you can say. And also it contains like /usr lib, which contains libraries. Okay, and we have one more directory in that /usr local, which contains users programs that you install from source file. So all these things we have in this directory. The next one is your /home. That is your home directories. Home directories are for all users to store their personal files, like /home John, like /home Nikita, any users if you have. So every user whose account in the servers, if you create any users, its home directory is created automatically with its name, that is in directory /home. So any user who logged into the systems, they should have one home directory where he can put their files. Okay, so this is for home directories. /boot, bootloader files. It contains bootloader related files and also like kernel init rd, init ramfs, vm, your kernel is there, your grub files, that is basically in /boot. For example, like your init ramfs and your kernel like VM Unix. So just have a little bit idea like what are those directories and what is the files which is in this directory. So just have a little bit idea about what basically the directories are all about. And the next one is your /lib, that is your system libraries, which contains library files that supports the binaries located in /bin and sbin. So this lib is your system libraries. And next one is your /opt, which is basically your optional add-on applications. If you install any application, so their files would be going to this /opt. Okay, like add on any application that should be installed under in this opt and its subdirectories. /mnt basically you can say mount directory. Whenever you try to mount anything on your system, like there is a CD drive, and if you want to access the content of the CD drives, you have to mount the CD drive to somewhere. So this is, you can say, a temporary mount directory where you can mount the CD drive. So what will happen, once you mounted your CD drive, you can go to this directory and see the content of the CD. So this is a directory where we have mount directories, and if nothing is mounted in this directory, what will happen, if you go to directory, you won't see anything. Like /media, it is a removable media device, temporary mount directories for removable devices. Like you can mount the CD drive also there, you can mount CD recorder, CD-ROM, all those things. So these are the basic directories. You can also mount your CD drive to any directory, that is up to your requirement. And the last one is your SRV, that is for service data, that stands for service, like server specific services related data. Okay, so friends, that's all for this session. Hope you have understand about Linux file system structure, how it all about. It always start with // is your root, and in the root we have different directories, and in that different directories we have some files. And what does this directory keeps the files, like /bin. So we have got little bit idea. I can understand at this point it would be difficult to understand lot of things here, but at least you should have a basic idea, like just keep in mind like this is for this is for that. That's all, that is enough for that. And once you will be doing the lab session or all those things, then you will have a more idea about all those things. So friend, that's all for this session. If you have time, please join with me in the next session. Thanks for watching.